So if you're a business owner, you just look and say, number one, I have income that's coming in. Does it relate to my business? That's the first question. And if it does, you automatically deduct that by making sure you have a documented system. If you're not sure, you might say, I don't know if this really relates to my business, or if it could relate to my business. It kind of does, because there was some business that happened on this trip, but it wasn't really completely a business trip. Well, that's when you have that conversation once a quarter with your tax team and say, look, we're taking this trip. What if we did our annual meetings during that trip for corporate compliance? What if one of the days of the trip we actually had a mastermind with our employees or customer? Like, you might find ways that give you more excuse to write off part of that trip, but that's why you have this quarterly meeting with your tax team to proactively navigate that. So number one, does it relate to the business? Number two, if so, you document it, and if you're not sure, you put it in a category where you're like, we're going to talk about it once a quarter and either reimburse it because it's deductible or it just was a personal expense.